Welcome to Ride Horizons, the home for all motorcycle enthusiasts. Today, we dive into the world of raw power and agility with the 2026 KTM 390 SMC R, a machine that perfectly blends supermoto madness with everyday street usability. This new model is not just an upgrade, it's a complete evolution of KTM's most aggressive 390 yet. Design and styling. The 2026 KTM 390 SMC R looks sharper, slimmer, and meaner than ever. KTM has given it a fresh design inspired by its bigger siblings from the 690 lineup. The signature orange trellis frame stands out boldly, while the new LED headlight with integrated DRLs gives it a futuristic face. The high-mounted exhaust, minimalist tail, and bold graphics scream performance from every angle. This bike looks ready to dominate the streets and the tracks. Engine and performance. Underneath the aggressive body lies the new 399 cubic centimeters single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine, the same heart that powers the latest Duke 390. Producing around 45 horsepower and 39 Newton-meters of torque, this engine delivers thrilling acceleration with razor-sharp throttle response. The power delivery is linear yet explosive, and the revised gearbox with a quickshifter ensures lightning-fast gear changes. Whether it's tight city corners or wide-open roads, the SMC R never fails to excite. Chassis and handling. Built for precision, the 2026 SMC R features a lightweight chromium molybdenum frame with an updated swing arm design for enhanced stability. The WP Apex suspension setup is fully adjustable, letting riders fine-tune their ride for track or street. With its low weight, high ground clearance, and sticky Metzeler tires, the 390 SMC R feels like a weapon in the corners, agile, flickable, and always in control. Braking and electronics. Braking is handled by Bybri radial calipers paired with large discs and dual-channel cornering ABS. KTM also includes Supermoto ABS mode, allowing the rear wheel to slide for that pure supermoto fun. Add in traction control, a slipper clutch, and ride-by-wire, and you've got one of the most advanced bikes in its class. Conclusion: the street weapon. The 2026 KTM 390 SMC R isn't just a motorcycle, it's an adrenaline machine designed for those who crave excitement on every ride. With stunning looks, modern electronics, and unmatched agility, it stands as the ultimate street supermoto in the 400 cubic centimeters segment.